Hey guys, we just got back from getting ourselves some Packy that we're gonna use to make some kind of a design that Asa has in mind. On our way up, we noticed this Packy tree. So we decided to stop and get some Packy. So we went over next door right there, got a stick, picked out the Packy, hucked them out and left them right here at the tree. And now we got a bag full of Packy and lots of Packy. So you're gonna get to see Asa clean these out, carve them, and put some designs in. Stay tuned. So Asa is out here carving. He cut a piece of stick down, and he's about to make
a hole. I'm putting a hole through there, so that this is at an angle like this, and then I'll sharpen the end of it over here, sort of at an angle like this, so that I can use it to scrape the design into the Packy.
Yes. So we're gonna start off by drilling a 1-inch spade bit through the top of this Packy so you could get in there to clean it out.
Nice and thick.
Then we're gonna take these two sticks that Aisha fashioned. This one is for cleaning out and this one is for carving.
It's shaped so I can scoop along the inside and scoop along the top inside like that.
I always love the view from back here.
Mm-hmm. I do too.
So there's 3 out of 5 cleaned on the inside. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wash this out now. So I have 3 Packy clean already, as you can see. It holds water. And here goes a garling in your yard, in our yard. Note that we're about 10 minutes from now, from the ocean. I think this one is just like a community pet though, because I've seen him. He's been around here for a while. To get all the insides of the Packy, Asa had gone and cut a little bit of a Scotch-Brite, our dishwasher, whatever you know this as. Comes back in a rectangle. He cut a piece off, and then what we do is stick our fingers in. Let me show you.
I have a little water in there.
Have a little water in there.
And I'm just sticking it in. Applying pressure to the side.
Yeah.
Scraping it back and forth.
Yeah.
All the way up and down in there.
Exactly. Right here you can see him using a crayon to mark out the designs that he wants on this one. And then he'll go over with his tool that he made for carving. This is a design that Asa is going with for this one. Now he's going to start scraping away.
Just want to get through the green to where you see it turn yellow.
So we just noticed that the Packy, the seeds of it, is heart-shaped. So I'm gonna start off by packing. Well, I have 4 of these full with potting mix. I'm gonna pack as much seed in there as possible because I've never gone under a Packy tree and seen a seedling. This is where we're at so far with the carving. It's looking so good. Let me see here. It's coming out nicely. This is where he's at so far, and this does take some time, but it's looking good. Hey guys, so this is the ending result. Things has gotten so busy, so Asa has only been able to carve 2 of them, and I must say that after it dries, it gets this completely brown color. So this is the first one he carved with the Jamaican flag on both sides of them, and a very nice design going all around. But I think this is everyone's favorite, and beautifully enough, it is keeping its green color. I think that happens because maybe the Packy wasn't as mature as this one is. So that is that. But I just love the hibiscus on the other side. This one holds a full flask of, I don't know, whatever you want to carry around in a flask. We're going to see if we could get a cap on this and a little handle so we could carry this around. And they're both so beautiful. I must say, he carved a couple before this, so I'll just bring them out to show you. This is a 2 original set from his first carve, and they're being used for holding Nyla's bead. One of the kids dropped and cracked this one, sadly, and this one we're using for change. So as you can see, this was a more mature Packy, and this is the color that this one is giving. And that's the design, really nice and simple. And then we have this one. I think this was his first carve. And this was the second carve. And the third carve. And our favorite, the fourth carve. So practice does make perfect. I feel blessed to say, and privileged to bless my eye upon this Packy seedling. I have never seen any. My mom has never seen any. I know, quite frankly, no one who have seen a Packy seedling because they're not prolific. I think what happened is that they fall under the tree and get rotted in the Packy before it can even get out. And that's why there's not a lot of seedlings. This is a Packy tree from my district, and my retired neighbor told me that this tree has been this size ever since she was a child. So with that being said, there's no way to really know how old this tree is.